How's that feel, Noah? How's your massage feel? Describe it. Describe it. What does it feel like? You can't. It just feels like it happened. Granddaddy would give me hot and keep massages like that all the time. You putting a karate chop on you. Look at your face. What do you say?
Thank you.
Give him a hug.
Ow.
Go give him a hug.
You doing on Facebook, right?
No, I'm not putting on Facebook. I'm just making very good. All right.
Who Facebook on that?
Ouch.
You all hooked up? You feel like a new man?
Yes.